Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and squirrels, here we are in front of the 2020 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S that I'm customizing and building out and doing stuff to. Recently installed the Bassani Radial Sweeper 2-2 exhaust system, which is this beauty right now. So, first and foremost, why did I go with a 2-2 versus a 2-1? So, I had the FXDR, which was the 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8, and I went with a 2-1 Bassani Road Rage, basically for performance, because they say 2-1s are, better for performance. So, I did that, and I liked it, and it sounded nice and, grunty, and sounded good whenever you would get on it. It was a little more quiet at idle, but I really love the sound of a 2-2 on a V-twin. It just sounds so much different. Which future video I'll do a comparison of a 2-2 pipe versus a 2-1 pipe on the new Milwaukee 8 platform. Well, new Milwaukee 8 platform. It's been around for a little bit now. Are we still calling it new? I don't know. Basically, like I said, this is going to be an exhaust demo video brought to you guys in part by Bassani. If you guys have watched the channel at all, y'all know, I pretty much always go with Bassani pipes just because their quality, customer service is really great, the quality of their product. I have never had any issues with them, never any rusting or, problems with any of the welds or connections. I've always been very happy with the pipes. So, I highly recommend them. Like I said, this episode is brought to you guys in part by them, so be sure to check out their website at www.bassanipipes.com. Yeah, so I'm going to start the bike up, let you guys hear it, walk around it, just let it idle, and then I'm going to take it on the road, let you guys hear it basically at cruising speeds. I'm going to let you guys hear it under load, so basically really getting on it up into gear, and I'm going to let you guys hear it just as driving normally, not under crazy load, just normal acceleration. So, alright, here we go. We'll start it up, confirm it is in neutral, and starting. Sounds so good. So on the right side of the bike, obviously the exhaust is pointing down into the right, so it's going to sound the loudest. With the 2-1, that's basically pointing back, it's going to be the loudest back here, which this one is still kind of loud, but right here would be the loudest for a 2-1 pointing straight back. You hear the lope of this bike? That's not a normal cam. Does he sound from the left side? Does he sound from the front? Before you guys ask, those LEDs from Rogue Rider Industries, I will link them down in the description below. And the mandatory rev while we're standing beside the bike. There you go. And I don't want to get too much on it because we're at a park and there's families here. I don't want to be that, like I said, that annoying guy. And this is what it sounds like on the bike. Now in terms of clearance, leg, all that, I don't feel any heat on my leg at all. One of my legs down. It is a little bit close to the exhaust, but it's fine. It's you're not touching it at all. And I'm 5'10" tall, but that deals more with height of the bike, blah blah blah. But yeah, whenever you're up here, my leg is nowhere near the exhaust, so it's not sticking to a position that you're gonna get it. So let's get out of this park area, and we'll get on the road, let you guys hear it. See, this is just through a parking lot, keeping it in first gear. One thing I absolutely love about this exhaust is the decel note to it. What we call the purr or gurgle or the purgle. Alright, so I'm just going to take it easy on the way up. That's what I'm talking about. That brrr. So like basically as you pull clutch in, like that decel purr, so good. I love it. 2020 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S has like the slightly forward mid controls. So I mean, you can see right there, it's not anywhere near it. So this is basically, I don't know, let's take it up to like 50 something. I'll put cruise control on, let you guys hear how it sounds. So most people would think because it's a shorter pipe and it's at 2-2 and it empties out like right here, that it's going to be loud, like you're going to have a drone that's overwhelming. Dude, that's not the case at all. It sounds really good. Like you can hear it, but it's not really loud and overbearing, like at all. One thing I love about turning right with it is that the exhaust is pointed to the ground, so you get more of that reverb off the ground. Love it. So you see how it sounded in that right turn? Watch how it sounds in a left turn. See, it's noticeably different. In that right turn, yeah, I mean, it's just angled towards the ground, you know? It's like you've got the bike leaning to the right, so the exhaust is basically like the sound bouncing back off of the road. Anyways, cruising with it, I mean, I've ridden, I don't even know how many miles with this thing, but cruising with it's not overbearing at all. See, listen, here bouncing off the wall. Love it. See, cruising with it, it's one of the big questions that I get with, you know, a pipe like this. You know, the 2-2 is people are kind of worried about it being overbearing, but it's really not. So I'll save that for whenever I turn around and we're coming back. I'll let you guys hear it, getting on it a bit. But yeah, like I've had it, I don't even know how many miles do I have. 1,353. I've had it for probably about 300 miles or so. Listen to that. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. Love, love, love. What is that little, pull off? I'm gonna check that out. I'll be able to get a little annoying here because nobody's over here. Hopefully there's no nails. Ooh. Is that chain down? Yes. What is this little random driveway? What the hell? This is weird. It's just like a random driveway. Let's throw it in neutral. And we'll do the little rev walk around. Sounds like music. Sounds like bald eagles eating apple pie. What's up, man? It's like stopping, checking on me. Oh, that's nice of him. Rev from the right, rev from the left. I don't like doing that too much, just because that's not whenever you're actually hearing and using the exhaust, it has a different sound under load, and I'm not that guy that goes to like an event and like revs up the bike. Like, it kind of gives you an idea of what it's going to sound like, right? But I don't know. I'm just not that guy that revs the shit out of his bike while it's like an idle. That was really nice of that guy, man. Rolled down his window, made sure I was like okay, gave me the thumbs up, like asking me if I was good. Appreciate that, sir. All right, so I'm gonna get on it a bit here, going back this direction. Visor open. Visor closed because it's too windy. What gear am I in? Fifth gear? Yeah, you guys see the difference between a right turn and a left turn in this thing? It's noticeable. Give you guys a taste of how it sounds like coming decelerating and like rev matching. Normally I wouldn't do that, but it's just to give you guys like a different sound of it, I guess. You get the gist. And the gist is, it's a great sounding exhaust. It's a quality exhaust, because, you know, that's how Bassani be. Exhaust companies be like that sometimes. I've been saying that shit so much lately. Oh, no way, I'm here just in time for the sunset. Nice. This is a great spot, man. Magnolia Park. Hell yeah. I'm gonna park right. Yeah. Bro, if that ain't like an award-winning outro, I don't know what is. Shit, look at this. Man. Alright, well, that's the demo video, guys. Bassani 2-2s, Bassani Radial Sweepers. Oh, they sound good. One of my favorite set of exhausts ever. They look great. If you guys have any questions, be sure to drop them down in the comments below. Let me know. I'll answer to the best of my knowledge. If you guys are interested, check out the link down in the description below. I will link you guys to this set of pipes, as well as just Bassani's website, like in general. So if you want to check out some of their other products. But once again, big thanks to Bassani. I really appreciate the collaboration. Like I said, this episode is brought to you guys in part by them. So be sure to check them out. www.BassaniPipes.com. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Getting into this sunset, I gotta get some photos, yo, while not getting run over. Alright, yo. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit the like. If not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon as well, so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Until next time, ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. Bam, there you guys go. The sun is set. You guys take the time to enjoy that sometimes, man. Like, go out, find you a spot, watch the sunset. Smell the roses, as my grandpa always says. Take the time to realize where you are. So I'm sitting in a beautiful park, surrounded by people enjoying themselves. We got a couple over here that stopped to watch the sunset together. I'm standing in front of a beautiful bike that the reason I have it is because I've been given some crazy opportunities through you all, through YouTube, through hard work. I'm grateful. So anyways, not to get too sappy there at the end. Sorry, guys. Alright. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.